Almost 4 years ago, a friend and I were building a race car and we needed stickers and graphics to make it look the part. So I bought a cheap vinyl cutter, a box of mixed vinyl and a PC so I could make them myself. I set everything up in the spare bedroom and much to my wife's bemusement I started experimenting. Before I knew it, I was squeezing the most out of every waking moment, trying to improve my skills and really work hard on growing a business. And grow it did. It outgrew the spare bedroom, I'd started to use the garage as a storeroom and I was using the dining table to complete orders. The family car was doubling as a van and before I knew it I needed an installation centre and decided to invest in a Roland SG2-540. What had started out as a hobby was really turning into something serious. I had a clear vision of where I wanted the business to go. I knew how I wanted the setup to look, how the work would flow and where I'd store the material. I could even close my eyes and see where I'd stand to apply the graphics. I could see it all and I knew what I needed to do to get there. A lot of my customers are surprised to find out that I do still work full-time in the public sector, as well as being a father, husband and a proud puppy owner. Everything at the Vinyl Guys is done in my spare time and it takes a lot of work to keep that balance. But needless to say, it's a big help to have hard-working equipment that I can really rely on. Family is everything to me. And I don't know if I would have invested so much hard work into the business if it had not been for my wife and my daughter. My father and father-in-law were great mentors and they taught me the importance of patience and building relationships, which have helped massively on my journey. Today, the Vinyl Guys is a busy and fast-growing print business. I've had to invest even more to deal with the amount of work. We've just moved to larger premises, I have an installer to give an extra pair of hands and I've got my eye on new Roland print equipment to add to my workshop. By this time next year, who knows where I'll be. It's been less than 4 years since I got involved in print, and even in this short time, I've learnt a lot. The Roland Academy and service team have been a great help, but I've also learnt a lot from my fellow printers. I know how hard it is to start a print shop and how grateful I was for every trade tip and pointer. And that's why I think it's important that we support one another and repay any kindnesses that we encounter on our own journeys. And that way more dreams can be realised. I am Alex Liggett, owner and founder of the Vinyl Guys, and this is my story.